Okay, I'm very bad at opening the product or something. I always mess up. So
2 hours later.
So is the Maybelline Lash. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Moon's Vanity. I hope everyone is doing really well. My name is Moon. So in today's video, I'm going to share my Nykaa haul with all of you guys. So recently I have bought quite a few products for makeup, skincare and hair care from Nykaa. So I just thought of sharing this. So these are the products that I bought. I have received the products in this kind of Nykaa boxes, which also I just wanted to share that this is going to be the first ever haul video on my channel. So I'm super duper excited for that. I'll be sharing each and everything from this basket that I recently bought from Nykaa. I hope you guys are excited as I am. Please consider subscribing to my channel if you're watching it for the first time, and also press on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload new video on YouTube. First I'm going to share with the hair care products. First product that I'm going to share is this Mamaearth Onion Shampoo with onion and plant keratin. So this is the shampoo. These are the ingredients list in the back of this, and also I have used this shampoo earlier. I think this is going to be my second. Works pretty much well for my hair. I've also ordered this Mamaearth Onion Conditioner. It says it is paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested for all hair types. So this is the shampoo and the conditioner that I'm recently using. So it was on some kind of discount, so I thought of ordering this too. I ordered from Nykaa is this Mamaearth Onion Scalp Serum with onion and niacinamide. Okay, I don't know. So this is the scalp serum, and this is specifically used for healthy hair growth. This is also paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, and this is also applicable for all hair types. So this is the first time I'll be using this serum. I haven't used it before. This is also a very new launch from Mamaearth, and also I just wanted to share that this product retails for $5.99, but I think I got this for some discount, like I got it for 500 or something. I'll just try to give all the product links in the description box, so do check that out. Let's see how it looks from inside. So okay, the packaging is quite cool, and I can see that there is a dropper for using the product. Is the onion scalp serum. So this is the bottle, and also you get a dropper. I think you need to take out this cap and just put this dropper, so that's really helpful to use it on your hair roots. You just need to use the serum on your hair roots. So this is the first time I'll be using, so I'll definitely share my honest review with all of you guys after like 1 month of using this serum. So yes, I'll definitely share my review. So the next product that I ordered from Nykaa is this Mamaearth Skin Plump Face Serum with hyaluronic acid and rosehip oil for ageless skin. This is also paraben and silicone free, a new thing that I'm going to try for the first time. I'll also share my honest review on this product as well. So I'll just try to open this up as well. So I have ordered quite a few things that I'll be using for the first time. I have taken out the serum. I don't know how much you guys can see. So yes, this is the serum that I have applied on my hand. So my hand, I can say that this is not very sticky, but absorbs into the skin very well, as you can see, and the smell is also quite well and not very jazzy or something. Next product that I'm going to share is from Mamaearth Hydrogel Indian Sunscreen. It has aloe vera and raspberry. It has SPF 50 and PA+++. This is specifically for sun protection, and this is also paraben and silicone free, dermatologically tested, suits all skin types, and it has 50 grams of product. Is how it looks like. So this is the first time I'm going to use any gel sunscreen, and I think this will be particularly helpful for this Indian heat or Indian summer. So yes, I'm going to use this product and tell you guys how I like it and if I like it or not. This is originally priced at 399 rupees, but it was on some kind of discount, I think 20% discount. I think I have covered everything that I have ordered for skincare and hair care. Now let's come to the makeup products. So this is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Waterproof Mascara. This is one of my favorite mascara and it was on discount. So basically it is priced at rupees 510, but I think I got it for 420 or 400 rupees, something like that. So I had to buy this one, and this is one of my favorite mascara. Next product that I ordered from Nykaa is this Lakme 925 Black Impact Liner. So yes, this is the liner that is also one of my favorite because of the tip. This is the Lakme 925 liner. This is the last product that I have for me. So this is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Eraser Multi-Use Concealer. Now, I know this product is not new, and I have heard a lot of positive reviews about this product, and I always wanted to buy this concealer, but somehow I had some other concealers. I was using some other concealers. I didn't have any chance to buy this one, but finally I got my hands on it. So basically this is priced at rupees 620. And I also got this at a huge discount. I had to buy this one. Also, I got this in the shade 130 medium. I don't know whether it will match my skin tone or not, because online concealer और फाउंडेशन खरीदना बहुत ज़्यादा मतलब रिस्की बिजनेस है मेरे लिए, बट मैंने फिर भी खरीदा है because all of the other shades I just thought this can be my shade, although this can be a highlighter shade for me. So I'll be using this concealer on my next makeup tutorial. Also at that time I'll be sharing my review on this concealer. That's pretty much it for my Nykaa haul, and if you want to see more of these videos in future, then please consider subscribing to my channel. Also hit on the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you get notified whenever I upload new video on YouTube, and it's completely free. So I'll be coming up with a new video very soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Bye bye.